To make homemade milk chocolate, first add 1 cup 125 grams of powdered sugar to a metal strainer over a bowl. Then, add 3/4 of a cup 75 grams of cocoa powder and 1/3 of a cup 40 grams of powdered milk. Shake the metal strainer to sift the ingredients into the bowl below, then stir everything together. Now bring 2 to 3 inches 5 to 7.5 centimeters of water to a boil in a pot on the stovetop. Place a heat-safe bowl on top of the pot so it's not touching the water, and add 3/4 of a cup 180 milliliters of melted coconut oil. Gradually stir the dry mixture into the coconut oil until well combined. Pour the mixture into a silicone chocolate mold, then put the chocolate in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours or until it's solid. Finally, take the silicone mold out of the fridge, pop out the chocolates, and enjoy. To make homemade dark chocolate, first add half a cup 120 milliliters of melted coconut oil to a heat-safe bowl over a pot of boiling water. Then, add 3 tablespoons 45 milliliters of honey and stir until the honey dissolves into the coconut oil. Now stir in 1 cup 100 grams of cocoa powder. Remove the bowl from the heat and add half a teaspoon 2.5 milliliters of vanilla extract. Transfer the chocolate mixture to a silicone mold, refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours, and enjoy.